Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science for you. Okay, children. So that is revision lesson number 1, our food. Okay, children. Which lesson? First lesson, our food. Okay, children. This is revision. Okay, children. First main is hard words. So first one, nutrients. 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 Second one, richest. 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 Third one, insoluble. 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 Fourth one, essential. 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 Fifth one, cell building. Cellbuilding. Cell building. Sixth one, compounds. 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 Seventh one, vitamins. 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 Eighth one, diseases. 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 Ninth one, vision. 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 Tenth one, night blindness. Nightblindness. Night blindness. 11th one, sterility. 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 12th one, calcium. 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 13th one, strong bones. Strongbones. Strong bones. 14th, hormones. 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 15th, chomping. 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 So these are the hard words. Okay, children. Next page. Fill in the blanks. Protein mainly found in dash and dal. So in the dash you must write cheese, curd, milk. Cheese. Cheese. Curd. Curd. Milk. Milk. So first one is proteins mainly found in cheese, curd, milk and dal. Second one, food preservation usually involves preventing the growth of dash and microorganisms. So in the dash you must write bacteria, fungi. The spellings are BACTERIA. Bacteria. Fungi spelling FUNGI. Fungi. Second one, food preservation usually involves preventing the growth of bacteria, fungi and microorganisms. Third one, liquids should be dash and solids like rice should be dash. So in the dash you must write first dash bubbling. 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 So in the second dash steaming. 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 Liquids should be bubbling and solids like rice should be steaming. Next, fourth one, water is important to the mechanics of the human body. So in the dash water you must write WATR. Water. Water is important to the mechanics of the human body. Fifth one, Calcium helps to build strong teeth for chomping on tasty food. So dash is in the dash teeth will come. So spelling is T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Calcium helps to build strong teeth for chomping on tasty food. Okay, children. Next, sixth one. Minerals help your body grows, develop and stay healthy. So dash is minerals. So spelling is M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S, minerals. Children, minerals help your body grows, develop and stay healthy. Next, seventh one. Dash is one of the richest sources for energy. So in the dash, fat will come. F-A-T, fat. Okay, children? Fat is one of the richest sources of energy. Okay, children? Next main, third main. Write yes or no for the following statement. First one. Calcium is a top macro mineral when it comes to your bones. So it is true. So in the bracket, you must write yes. Second one. Minerals are not used to make hormones. So that is wrong. You must write in the bracket no. N-O. Third one. Vitamin A helps in the regeneration of vision, prevents night blindness. So it is correct. So you must write in the bracket yes, Y-E-S-S. Fourth one. Vitamin C is essential for the development of bones and prevents rickets. So it is wrong. So you must write in the dash N-O, no. Fats, fifth one. Fats are organic compounds that are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So that is also wrong. So you must write in the bracket N-O, no. Children? Next, sixth one. All fats are unsaturated fatty acids. So it is also wrong. So you must write in the bracket no. So once again, I will repeat. Write yes or no. First one. Calcium is a top macro mineral when it comes to your bones. So in the bracket, you write yes. Second one. Minerals are not used to make hormones. In the bracket, you must write NO, no. Third one. Vitamin A helps in the regeneration of vision, prevents night blindness. So in the bracket, you write yes, Y-E-S-S. Fourth one. Vitamin C is essential for the development of bones and prevents rickets. So in the bracket, you write NO, no. Fifth one. Fats are organic compounds that are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So in the bracket you write NO, no. Children, next sixth one. All fats are unsaturated fatty acids. So in the bracket you write NO, no. So children, so these are all true or false, means yes or no. Now fourth main, answer the following questions. First one, write a short notes on proteins. So on proteins you must write for 10 or 15 lines. Okay children? Answer. Protein is a nutrient that the body needs to grow and maintain itself. Protein is important for growing children. 16 to 60 grams of protein per day is required for a child. So, I will read the spellings also. P-R-O-T-E-I-N, protein. I-S is N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T, nutrient. T-H-A-T, that. T-H-E, the. B-O-D-Y, body. N-E-E-D-S, needs. T-O-2, G-R-O-W, grow. And. M-A-I-N-T-A-I-N, maintain. ITSELF itself. PROTEIN protein. ISEs IMPORTANT important. FO for GROWING growing. CHILDREN children. 16 to 60. GRAMS grams. OF of PROTEIN protein. PER per DA by day. ISEs or EQUI or ED required. FO for CHILD child. So this is the first answer. Next, second one. What are the energy giving foods? So answer is carbohydrates are energy giving food. These are the most important and readily available source of energy. The two major forms of carbohydrates are simple sugars such as fructose, glucose and lactose are found in fruits. B-main. Starches are found in vegetables, grains, rice, breads and cereals. Now spellings. CARBOHYDRATES carbohydrates. Here your ENERGY energy. GIVING giving. FOODS foods. THES these. Here your TH the. MOST most. IMPORTANT important. AND READILY readily. AVAILABLE available. SOURCE source. OF of ENERGY energy. TH the. TWO2 MSJOR major. FORMS forms. OF of CAR BOH YDRATES carbohydrates. Here your A1 SIMPLE simple. SUGARS sugars. SUCH such. ASS FRUCTOSE fructose. GLUCOSE glucose. and LACTOSE lactose. Here your FOUND found. ININ FRUITS fruits. B1 STARCH starch. Here your FOUND found. ININ VEGETABLES vegetables. GRAINS grains. RICE rice. BREAD bread. AND CEREALS cereals. So these are the second one answer. How can we preserve the food? Answer. FOOD food. Preservation. PRESERVATION preservation. Food preservation is a process by which food is prevented from getting spoiled for a longer period of time. The color, taste and nutritive value of the food are also preserved. Food may be preserved by cooling or freezing. The second method of destruction is by heat process, which destroy all the bacteria. Now I'll say the spelling. FOOD food. PRESERVATION preservation. ISEs PROCESS process. BY by WHICH which. FOOD food. ISEs PREVENted prevented. FROM from GETTING getting, SPOILE spoiled, FOR for LONGE or longer, PERIOD period, OF of TIME time, THE the, COLOU or color, TASTE taste, and NUTRITIVE nutritive, VALUE value, OF of TH the, FOOD food, ALSO also, PRESERVED preserved, FOOD food, MAY may, BEB, PRESERVED preserved, BY by, COOLING cooling, ORR, FREEZING freezing, TH the, SECOND second, METHOD method, OF of DESTRUCTION destruction, is by, HEAT heat, PROCESS process, WHICH which, DESTROY destroy, ALLOL, TH the, BACTERIA bacteria. So these are third answer, question answers. Next, fourth one. What are the safety precautions to be taken in kitchen? So in kitchen, what precautions you must take? Answer. Safety precautions to be taken in the kitchen are: don't leave knives and sharp objects lying around. DONT don't, LEAVE leave, KNIVES knives, SHARP sharp, OBJECTS objects, LYING lying, AROUND around. B1. Take off all jewelry when cooking. So spelling is TAKE take, OFF off, ALL all, JEWELRY jewelry, WHEN when, COOKING cooking. C. TIE tie, UP up, YOUR your, HAIR hair, tie up your hair. D1. WASH wash, HANDS hands, AFTE or after, TOUCHING touching, ANYNE KINDS kinds, OF of MEAT meat. So wash hands after touching any kind of meat. Next, DONT don't, LEAVE leave, BOILING boiling, WATE or water, UNATTENDD unattended. Don't leave boiling water unattended. F point. DONT don't, LEAVE leave, WATE or water, AROUND around, ELECTRICAL electrical, THINGS things. Don't leave water around electrical things. So once again I'll read fourth answer. Listen carefully. Safety precautions to be taken in the kitchen are: first point, don't leave knives and sharp objects lying around. B point, take off all jewelry when cooking. C point, tie up your hair. D point, wash hands after touching any kinds of meat. E point, don't leave boiling water unattended. F point, don't leave water around electrical things. So these are the points. You must be careful while you are doing any work in the kitchen. Now fifth one question. Describe balanced diet. Answer. A balanced diet is one that provides an adequate intake of energy and nutrients for maintenance of the body and therefore good health. An ideal woman diet contains fat, proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, water and fiber, all in correct proportions. So spelling A B A L A N C D balanced, D I E T diet, I S is O N E 1 T H A T that, P R O V I D E S provides, A N N E D E Q U A T E adequate, I N N T A K E take, O F of E N E R G Y energy, U A N D and N U T R I E N T S nutrients, F O for M A I N T E N A N C A maintenance, O F of T H E the, B O D Y body, A N D and T H E R E F O R E therefore, G O D good, H E A L T H health, A N N I D E A L idle, H U M A N human, D I E T diet, C O N T A I N S contains, F A T fat, P R O T E I N S proteins, C A R B O H Y D O R A T E S carbohydrates, V I T A M I N S vitamins, M I N E R A L S minerals, W A T E R water, A N D and F I B E R fiber, A L L all, I N in, C O R R E C T correct, P R O P O R T I O N S proportions. Next sixth one. Write short notes on vitamins. Answer is a minimum amount of vitamins and minerals are required by the body each day to remain healthy and function systematically. A well balanced diet is sufficient to meet all the vitamins requirements of the body. Different vitamins have different roles to play in bringing about the total well-being of the body. First point, vitamin A helps in the regeneration of vision, prevents night blindness and helps good eyesight. B point, vitamin E prevents sterility and helps in overall growth of the body. Next point, vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for bones. Next is vitamin K. Vitamin K is necessary for blood clotting. Next, vitamin C. Vitamin C prevents scurvy and very essential for wound repair. Once again, I'll continue. Write short notes on vitamins. A M I N I M U M minimum, A M O U N T amount, O F of V I T A M I N S vitamins, A N D and M I N E R A L S minerals, R E R, R E Q U I R E D required, B Y by T H E the, B O D Y body, E A C H each, D A Y day, T O 2, R E M A I N remain, H E A L T H Y healthy, A N D and F U N C T I O N function, SYSTEMATICALLY systematically, AWALL well, BALANCED balanced, DIET diet, ISEs, SUFFICIENT sufficient, TO2 MEET meat, ALL THED VITAMINS vitamins, REQ UI REMENTS requirements, OF of TH the BODY body, DIFFERENT different, VITAMINS vitamins, HAV have, DIFFE or ENT different, ROLES roles, TO2 PLAY play, iron in, B or ing bringing, ABOUT about, TH the, TOTAL total, WELL well, BEING being, OF of, TH the, BODY body. So first is vitamin A. HELPS helps iron in, TH the, REGENE or ATION regeneration, OF of, VISION vision, PREVENTS prevents, NIGHT night, BLINDNES blindness, and HELPS helps, GOD good, EYESIGHT eyesight. Next vitamin E. It prevents, PREVENTS prevents, STERILITY sterility, and HELPS helps, iron in, OVE or over, ALL all, GROWTH growth, OF of, TH the, BODY body. Next is vitamin D. IT ISIS ESSCNTIAL essential, F for BONES bones. Next is vitamin K. IT ISIS NECESSARY necessary, F for WOD wood, CLOTT sorry BLOOD blood, CLOTTING blood clotting. Next vitamin C. IT PREVENTS prevents, SCURVY scurvy, and VERY very, ESSENTIAL essential, FR for WOUND wound, REPAIR repair. Next question. What are carbohydrates? Answer is, carbohydrates are energy giving food. These are the body's most important and readily available source of energy. Fruits, vegetables, grains, rice, bread, cereals and glucose contain carbohydrates. Now with spellings I'll read. CARBOHYDRATES carbohydrates, ENERGY energy, GIVING giving, FOODS foods. THES these, TH the, BODYS bodies, MOST most, IMPORTANT important, and READIL very readily, AVAILABLE available, SOURCE source, OF of, ENE or GY energy. F for UITS fruits, VEGETABLES vegetables, GRAINS grains, RICE rice, BREAD bread, CEREALS cereals, and GLUCOSE glucose, CONTAIN contain, CARBOHYDRATS carbohydrates. Children, any doubt, children? I think you could have understood this lesson. In the next class, I will give you UT. Be prepared for UT. Sit and read at home. Children, practice at home. Thank you, children.